Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing an amazing summer facial routine that you can follow during this summer when you don't want to go out and get your facials done. And this facial is just going to cost you rupees 300 or even less, and you will be amazed by the results. I really enjoyed doing this facial at home, and also this comes along with the lotion and the sunscreen. I loved the sunscreen. I'm not even kidding. I've never used a sunscreen before, but this sunscreen, I think I am going to love this sunscreen. I already do, because this sets to matte and it gives a very natural finish to my skin, which I am loving at the moment. So without any further ado, let's just get right into the video. So this facial kit that I was talking to you all about is from the brand called Cheryl Cosmeceuticals, and the range is Oxyblast Oxygen Energizing Facial Kit, and this is a 7-step facial kit that you can do at home, as I already told you. And another thing that I really like about the facial kit is that the ingredients, or the key ingredients, is very promising. At least for me, I feel the key ingredients are very promising. I really liked that. I'm gonna leave the purchase link in the description for you to check it out if you're interested. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can use this 7-step facial kit at home at your own comfort. You don't need a lot of technical skills to do this facial, but you can do this at your own comfort. So before that, what is actually Oxyblast Facial? The facial kit is a one-time use 7-step DIY kit enriched with the goodness of vitamin E, aloe vera extract, and zinc PCA. This facial replenishes the lost oxygen so that the skin remains strong and radiant. I'm gonna leave you the before and after for you to actually see how much this replenishes your skin, because I was able to see immediate results right after the facial was done. So why do you actually need a Oxyblast facial in your routine? So as we age, the oxygen levels in our skin tend to reduce, and that results in wrinkles and fine lines. So it's always recommended to give that extra oxygen to your skin, which will help replenish the lost oxygen, and also it gives you your skin a very radiant look, as you can see from my skin right now. So that's why you need a oxy facial in your routine. So when to use this facial kit? You can actually use this once in a month. So that's the advised cycle of using this facial kit, or including this kit in your routine. Now let's get ahead and see how you can actually do this 7-step facial at home. I'll be talking you through the steps and how you have to use each of the steps and the products.
The first step of the facial is to use the Oxyblast Cleansing Gel. This pH balanced gel cleans the skin and prepares it for exfoliation. Active ingredients is citrus lemon fruit extract. Apply entire content of the sachet all over face and neck. Massage gently in circular movements. Wipe off with damp cotton. The second step is to use the Oxyblast Deep Peel. This deep peel helps exfoliate dead skin cells and rejuvenates skin. Active ingredient, papain. Apply entire content of the sachet all over face and neck. Massage for 2 minutes with steam and for 3 minutes without steam. Wipe off with damp cotton. Step number 3 is to use the Oxyblast Skin Oxygenator. This is used after the cleansing. This lotion revives skin and making it look fresh. Active ingredients are zinc PCA and cucumber extract. Pour the entire content of the sachet on cotton and apply all over face. Step number 4 is to use the Oxyblast Rejuvenating Serum. This serum has actives that soothes, moisturizes, and helps skin firming. Active ingredients being bisabople, olive leaf extract. Apply entire content all over face and neck. Massage gently and leave it on. Step number 5 is to use the Oxyblast Deep Penetrating Mask. This cream based mask improves skin tone while nourishing the skin. Active ingredient is vitamin E. Apply entire content of the sachet on face. Place a cling film on face with a cutout for nose and steam skin for 3 to 5 minutes. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and wipe off with damp cotton. Step number 6 is to use the Oxyblast Energizing Cream. This cream energizes and nourishes skin, making it lighter and radiant. Active ingredient is arbutin. Apply entire content on face and neck. Gently massage into skin with light upward strokes. Dip hands in water or fruit juice to felicitate facial massage. Step number 7 is to use the Oxyblast Radiance Mask. This mask tightens and brightens the skin instantly. Active ingredients are aloe vera, Canadian willow herb. Apply entire content of the sachet all over face and neck, avoiding the eyes. Leave on for 8 to 10 minutes and wipe off with damp cotton.
Now that you've finished the facial routine, I would recommend you guys to use the O2C2 Radiance Lotion right after you've finished your facial. So this facial or this lotion has a special formulation to enhance the natural radiance and shine of the skin, inspired by gene science and stem cells research. And this is suitable for all skin types, but they are not recommending it for sensitive skin. If you have very sensitive skin, then you might want to patch test it if it is actually suiting you. So that's about the lotion. I really love the fragrance of the entire range. I loved the fragrance and I think you will love it too. And followed by that, here is a Derma Shade Broad Spectrum UVA and UVB SPF 30 sunscreen spray. So this comes in a spray format. If you love sunblock in a spray, and if you're comfortable spraying this all over your face and just giving it a massage and good to go, and you're good to go. So this is in a spray consistency, and I really like how this sets on your skin. So this doesn't leave that white cast on the skin that all of the sunblocks does. I really liked that. And also this sets to matte. As I already told you, my skin is not oily whatsoever. And another thing is, I really love how this feels on my skin. I don't know how to explain that feeling to you, but I really love the feeling of this sunscreen on my skin. This is also recommended for all skin types, including sensitive and acne prone skin. Even if you have acne prone skin and sensitive skin, you still can use this product. And I really love this product. And this discovers instant fairness and long-term sun protection with the advanced lightweight formula enriched with tomato, fruit and pomegranate extract. I would say this is very lightweight. I could actually feel nothing on my skin right after I use this. This is definitely lightweight, and there is you can see my nose, and this area is feeling extremely radiant, and I can see visible results right after you use the facial kit and also the lotion and sunscreen followed by the facial. I really enjoyed doing this facial, and yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and I would recommend you guys to try this for yourself. I will see you guys with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.